Okay, so here what they're really asking is, what is the definition of a z-score? You need to know what the definition of z-score is. And it's how many standard deviations you are away from the mean. So if the z-score is positive, you're above the mean, and if the z-score is negative, you're below the mean. All right, so let's go look which one of these says that. And that is B. Does everybody see that? The answer is B. How much you deviate from the average. Okay. You know what? A lot of people missed this question on the test last time. So if we want to know the test scores for two classes, it's going to be 30 times 75.6 plus 24 times 68.4. And then I'm going to divide by 30 plus 24 because that's the number of people. All right, so let me get out my calculator and I'll do the math in just a second. Okay, so I put this all into my calculator and I get B, 72.4. You guys need to make sure you know how to do that. Okay, for a normal distribution, 95% of the observations fall. Hopefully you realize from empirical rule that is 2 standard deviations both below and above. So it's not 1, and this is just above. So the answer is A. Okay, let's go do number 4. Tran scored in the top 5% of her class. 5% of her class. What is her z-score? All right, so hopefully you realize that if she's in the top 5% of the class, what we're looking for is 0.95 inside the chart. Okay, so it's not D, and hopefully you know that since 95% is greater than 50, it can't be negative. So the answer is C. Okay, in a certain southwest city, an average 62.5 doing it with a standard deviation, assuming the empirical rule above the index falls. What interval is about? Okay, so if we go 62.5 plus 2 times 18, which is 36. So what do I get? 98.5. So all the ones that end in 98.5. And then I'm going to get 62.5 minus 36.5. And so what do I get? 26. So the answer is B. You need to make sure that you know how to do those problems.